She's my ride or die, baby. She's my cool, she's my crazy, she's my laid back in the front seat.
Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lottis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video. This video is on feeding and how to make feeding more manageable for kids, whether or not they have sensory defensiveness or extreme pickiness. Now, one way to go about helping kids with feeding is to take the foods that they're interested in, which is likely a limited repertoire, and make that food just a little differently, not in an extreme way, but maybe if you don't add a salt or a spice, add a little bit of a salt or a spice to a food that your child normally eats. Take the taste that they like and just vary it in its presentation. So if they really love some kind of a pasta, you can make it, but then add your sauce with some variations within the sauce, maybe some different spices. So what you're doing is you're varying to a small degree the texture or the taste of the food. So the food is safe and familiar because it's recognizable as a food that your child likes to eat, but you're just modifying very slightly the taste of it, again, or potentially the texture of it. So give this a try. It is oftentimes helpful as it just starts to expand the food selection and get your child used to eating greater variation when you do work in these slow steps. And keep the plate safe and familiar. So the things that are not ingested, keep your forks, if there's a favorite one or a favorite spoon, safe and familiar as you start to really make small modifications and variations in the taste or the texture of the food that your child prefers. So give this one a try. This is just one video in a video series. So please look at all the strategies and see which one best fits your child. Thank you.
Boots, likes to slow dance to some old school. She take a full moon, city nights and ice.